In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use enterprise search in Notion. To get started, open Notion and make sure you're inside a workspace that supports enterprise search. This is important because the feature only works in eligible workspaces, and having access set up correctly will ensure your search can pull information from all the right places. Once you're in the correct workspace, take a moment to confirm that everything has loaded properly so you can search without interruptions. Next, go to the search area in Notion or open the Notion AI search feature if that's the version available in your workspace. This is the main place where you'll ask your question or enter the topic you want to find. Notion keeps this process simple. So even if you're working across a lot of content, the search experience is designed to feel quick and organized. Now type the question, phrase, or keyword you want to search for. You can keep it broad if you're exploring a topic, or be more specific if you already know what kind of information you need. Clear search terms usually lead to better results, especially when your workspace contains lots of pages, databases, and shared documentation. Once you enter your search, let Notion run the search across your workspace and any connected tools that are included. This is one of the biggest advantages of enterprise search. Instead of checking multiple platforms one by one, Notion can gather relevant information from different sources in one place, helping you save time and reduce context switching. When the results appear, review them carefully. You may see matches from regular pages, databases, documents, and connected apps. Take a moment to scan the titles, previews, or summaries so you can quickly understand which result is most likely to contain the answer you need. If several results look similar, start with the one that seems most directly related to your search. After that, open the most relevant result. Once inside, read through the content and confirm that it answers your question or provides the information you are looking for. Sometimes the best result is exactly right on the first try, especially if your search was specific. If the first answer isn't specific enough, refine your search and try again. You can adjust your wording, add more detail, or narrow the topic to guide Notion toward better results. This small step can make a big difference when you're searching through a large amount of information. And that's how to use enterprise search in Notion to find information faster across your workspace and connected tools.